everyone, welcome to my room at the Iberostar Paraiso Maya. Come on in. So when you first walk into a junior suite at the Maya, you are greeted with this hallway that has two huge closets for you to use during your stay, along with this nice bar that has a coffee pot and the mini bar, even though there are plenty of bars outside at the resort for you to enjoy. And Iberostar is really trying to make sure they are going green. So instead of having plastic water bottles, they have refillable ones for you to use in your room during your stay. But let's go check out the bathroom. Inside this huge bathroom, we have two sinks to use, this amazing bathtub. I mean, I could probably just get in it right now. I mean, it's fit for someone fun-sized or larger. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Look at this. Don't you just want to relax and enjoy? So perfect. And I love the artwork that really represents the Mayan aspect of the hotel. And on the other side of the bathroom, across from the bathtub, is the shower. In case you aren't a bathtub type of person, we have a standing shower for you to use. But you know what we really need to see is the actual bedroom. All right, now let's head on in to the junior suite bedroom with so much space. Even though this is really where you should not be spending your time at the resort, this is a wonderful junior suite, 2 double bed bedroom with a flat screen TV and so much space and a little friend to welcome you to the property. And even more is all this extra area to lounge. We have a couch, we have tables and chairs, and a desk that is not meant to be worked at. But my favorite part is out here. Take a look at this view. But don't hit your head on the way out. And this is the pool that is shared between the Paraiso Maya and the Paraiso Lindo. For more information on the Iberostar Paraiso Maya, be sure to click the link below. So until next time, I'm Allison Berger, and don't forget, I'm FunSized. Hasta mañana!